Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As radiyallahu anhu says, this verse of the Quran, O the communicator of unseen news, Prophet, certainly we have sent you as a witness, present and seeing, and a bearer of glad tidings and a warner, is mentioned in the Torah as this, O the communicator of unseen knowledge, Prophet, verily we have sent you as a witness, present beholder, and a bearer of glad tidings and a warner, and a heaven for the illiterate. You are my bondsman and apostle. I have named you Al-Mutawakkil, who trust in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. You are neither a bad-tempered nor a stone-hearted, nor do you make clamor in the bazaars, nor do you recompense evil in evil. Rather you forgive and excuse. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not call you back until He rectifies the crooked people through you. And they say, there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and thus opens the blind eyes, deaf ears, and sealed hearts through you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4838.